Grey and sugar. I want Earl Grey, sugar and milk. Tea, yes, tea. It's a simple pleasure. It's a very simple pleasure. But it's a simple pleasure I need, yeah. Check, yeah, yo. It was the first of many challenges to try convince the masses that we're talented. In a world full of watermark canvases and radios that don't play songs if there's a rap in it. And fame's instantaneously given if your face is positioned where the massive population is driven. Believe what the papers have written, cause rarely does truth even make any difference, yeah. We watch edited versions of others' lives to deal with the issues that we have another time. Everything's an unpopularity contest. If you're not voted out, it's you that they want less. You can end your career in one tweet, and child counsellors don't get enough sleep. Professional footballers earn more in 1 week than one of them earns in 10 years at least. They're swept off their feet, they don't wanna know now. If they're listening or watching, they just wanna zone out. Know how? We don't even know how to find our own mouth from being spoon-fed a dose of being docile. Yeah, so now it's Earl Grey. Now it's Earl Grey sugar. Now it's Earl Grey sugar and milk. Tea, it's just tea, yeah, yeah. It's a simple pleasure. It's a very simple pleasure. But it's a simple pleasure I need, yeah. Check it, yeah. Hoods up is a necessity, cause when my hood's down you still think less of me. Yeah, it's one vicious circle, I'd rather keep my hood up to hide from all this negative energy. It's no wonder our society is segregated when old people act surprised that I am educated. Discretion should be taught more, rules mean nothing, people love it when you break them. Cause people clap when you're bad, people clap when you're good. People cheer when they're told, people laugh when they should. People dream of a little more sleep, but go full throttle at the end of the week. So give me that club beat with the same old topic. I need to sing along while I drive to the office. Tell me to dance about the money that you make, so I can go to my desk and dream my life was the same. But being in a spotlight's a dark place, cause normality's a drug that you can't take. People drive hard for a shot at the fast lane. It's only people from school that you can class mates. Yeah, so now it's Earl Grey. Now it's Earl Grey sugar. Now it's Earl Grey sugar and milk. Yeah, just tea, check it. It's a simple pleasure. It's a very, very simple pleasure. But it's a simple pleasure I need. Check it. She's not smart, she's got a good heart. It's not about the winner, it's who took part. Yo, tell the person who came last when they should laugh. Ha ha. So, I got some more, leave it running. It's not about who took part.
We keep it normal.
Yo, hold up, put down. You got love by the bucket load. Don't turn that noun upside down. Don't frown. Check it. Yeah. This train's like going out inside. I just managed to get in with my side out. It's really taking me somewhere, except standing means you don't fit in, yeah. ADHD drugs, the latest HD plugs. The idea's great, but once you review the finer details, you realise it's depressing. Yeah, having too much of something isn't pleasant. If I was born rich, I kinda wish I was a peasant, cause you learn a lot of lessons. If I was Jay-Z and Beyonce, I'd send Blue Ivy into the ghetto till she was like 11, and then be like, surprise, you're a millionaire. Yeah, that is not a rhyme, it's just talking. Yeah, so listen, all I'm saying is, yeah, now it's Earl Grey. Now it's Earl Grey and sugar. So now it's Earl Grey sugar and milk. It's just tea, it's only tea. It's a very simple pleasure. A very, very, very simple pleasure. But it's a very simple pleasure I need. And that's me.